What's up, guys? All Pro Exterior Services here. Got the setup, pulling some hose. Got a nice brick home. I'm gonna do the house and the driveway and a little sidewalk here and in the back. So we're just pulling some hose, getting things lined up, getting it ready, setting up. Shouldn't be too big of a job. We got Tony on the property protection. You can see here we got some nice stuff on the eaves. Brick isn't too bad, which is good. Got some gutter stuff here. We'll clean those gutters up with some good SH and get rid of a lot of this. So anyway, this is a lead that came off of a Nextdoor app. Let me shut this stuff. Came off a Nextdoor app, free ad, nice ticket. And by the way, we're getting a neighbor's house too, so we gonna hit that chimney with some downstream. May need a hotter mix on, but it doesn't look too bad, so I think we're good. Again, just a house wash and everything else. So get set up. Get back to you in a second. The first side of the house, thing I like to do with brick is kind of pre-wet a little bit. It's a very porous material, so it soaks in a lot of the water. So to avoid soaking in any bleach, I just put a light rinse on it and try to get it as wet as you can without spending a whole bunch of time here doing it. So again, got that DS remote system with the remote mounted to the gun, which makes life a lot easier. So we're good there. Yeah, been using that M5 twist, which has been pretty good. It's been actually really good. Also got a Davis shooter tip, which I like, but honestly, I don't know if it gets me any more distance. It gets me a more streamlined distance, but not much more distance. Of course, I'm still using a 4.4, so until I step up to that big 8, you know, I get it. But yeah, no, we're getting it done with this 4.4. Don't let that fool you. We'll get it all done. I even pre-wet some of this fence right here in case we hit it. Just want to take that extra caution. Takes a few seconds extra to get this brick, but again, this is what we do. So I will then now hit the soap on. I hit the soap on. So here we should be getting soap here in a minute. I like to start at the end. We can pan tip this whole house, so it'd be nice up until the chimney, but good stuff. So we should be getting soap here soon. Let's see. There you go, that's soap. So again, just give it a good soaking. Remember, bottom up on the wash. Get that meter, the gas meter. Hit it all good. Kill all that mold. And I always try to find a hidden point, you know, like wherever I stop my shooting, like that gas meter. I know I stopped there, right? So, and actually, this customer actually requested that she smell the bleach scent, which was cool. I'm like, that's cool, that's awesome. So anyway, let me finish this up and I'll catch up with you in a second. Just fitting the bricks, literally, getting them wet. We're in the last section of this house and we're gonna hit the driveway. Tony's gonna hit the driveway. I like soaking this wood down too, in case we get some bleach on it. In fact, I may throw a bonus in there just for the neighbor. And while we're sitting there waiting, we got another job to go look at up the street. So business is booming. All right, catch up with you in a second. All right, guys, we got Anthony on the surface cleaner. Did our post treat. Just cleaning it up, coming out like night and day. We're gonna do a section at a time, rinse it off real quick, and then we gotta go look at that other job. Show you the equipment here in action. That's what we do. Real live. In action. Kind of loud. Got all your stuff. My fuel tank. Collect all the hose. We're rolling. Catch up with you in a section. Up, all done. Everything's good. Wrapping it up.